Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install car mods in GTA 5. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember that mods are for offline use only. Do not use them in GTA Online. For this tutorial, we'll be installing a Nissan Skyline GTR. You'll need a few tools: scripthookv, scripthookv.net, a vehicle spawner, OpenIV, and the car mod itself. Once everything is downloaded, open the GTA 5 game directory. If you're using Epic Games, go to your library, click the three dots, and select Open Install Location. For Steam user, right-click GTA 5, choose Manage, then browse Local Files. Starting by installing scripthookv, open the archive and go to the bin folder and drag scripthookv.dli and inputs 8.dl. Then drag it into your GTA directory. Next, extract scripthookv.net and copy all files directly into the same folder. After that, install your vehicle spawner and placing the ASI files into the GTA 5 directory. And after that, install OpenIV, open it and select GTA 5 and confirm your game location. Go to Tools, open the ASI Manager and install the ASI Loader and open IV ASI. Then navigate Update and drag the car folder inside. Then open the list and add the cars folder name to the list. And after that, save the file, launch GTA 5 story mode, press F5 to press the vehicle spawner, search for the car and spawn it. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.